Hi everyone, got the working on my first kit here. Still can't seem to make things line up. Not sure what the deal is, but got Yose Power, 48 volt battery. It's locked down in the on position. Charged it. We got full battery. It's on there. If we follow it up this way, you can see the power cable goes into the controller, which I've got in this box. Now there are 4 cables out. There is this guy. This goes right to the hub. Oops, I'm gonna sit down here. That goes right to the hub. There appears to be like one throttle out and a brake out. I think the throttle probably goes to the pedal assist, which I do not have installed right now. All I've got is a little thumb throttle. Just would like to see it turn on before I make any other adjustments. This guy heads up here, goes to the thumb throttle, the brake, and the front LCD or controller, which doesn't do anything. I'm holding the M button, can't get it to turn on or light in any way. I don't really know what else to adjust. So did I make some kind of simple mistake here? What do you guys think?